May Chan has dodged COVID for the past 2 years, but last week she tested positive and passed it on to her partner and daughter.
She has been coughing throughout the night, and it's not like she doesn't sleep well, and she's not really eating well as well. So yeah, it's been a rough week for us.
Despite working from home and wearing a mask in public, she's likely to have caught one of the two new variants, BA.4 or BA.5. Wastewater tests show they're now the dominant strains in Melbourne and Geelong.
We do know that BA.5 and BA.4 are extremely good at getting around the immune system. So the chances are that we will get less protection from vaccination and immunity from recovering from a previous infection.
And the strains are far more contagious. Someone with the original Wuhan strain was likely to infect 3 other people. But now someone with BA.4 or 5 is likely to pass it on to 18 others.
This is as high as measles, our most contagious disease. So we're now getting to the most contagious disease known to man.
The state's hospitals are stressed, and the government hopes its GP respiratory clinics will take some of the pressure off. But it says the new strains mean cases and deaths are expected to rise again in coming weeks.
This is a different winter in some ways because we've got both COVID and we've got flu. And that's why, for instance, getting a free flu shot is incredibly important.
But it's the 4th COVID vaccine now being debated by the national advisory body ATAGI. New South Wales is pushing for more adults to be eligible.
And my view is, as Health Minister in New South Wales, that we need to broaden it and we need to move quickly.
But Victoria says it will wait for advice.
It's one of those things where ATAGI's got that rather challenging job of balancing up the pressure and the benefit that comes from a 4th dose now, or waiting for something that might have a greater degree of protection against various sub-variants.
Victoria's pandemic declaration has been extended for 3 months, but the Premier says no new restrictions are being considered. Cheryl Hall, ABC News, Melbourne.